Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer a ChatGPT conversation to another account on PC. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser, search for ChatGPT, and access the official website. Once you're on the home page, click your profile icon at the bottom left corner and select Settings. Then go to Data Controls and click on Export Data. Confirm your request to proceed. Next, complete the authorization process using your phone or Gmail. Enter the verification code and confirm again. After that, check your email for a confirmation message. Your data file will be sent within 1 to 2 days. Once you receive the email, download the data file, then log into the ChatGPT account where you want to transfer the conversation. Click the plus icon, select Add Photos or Files, and upload the downloaded file. Finally, submit it to complete the process. That's it for this video. Thanks.